Hi, today I present to you a seed. This is not a physical seed that I can hand to you, but it is a seed that you can take. It is a seed that I hope once you take it and you plant it, your knowledge will grow. Before I could tell you what this seed is, I have to tell you how I came to this seed. It came from a love of trees. As a boy, I would go into the forest and watch the seasons change, the forest around it. Over time, I started to see that this change was affecting our forest, both big and small. Now, the problem with that was this change wasn't for the good. Our forests are actually in crisis. Currently, rapid urbanization is causing fragmentation for our forests. Forest fires are becoming larger and more frequent year after year. We're seeing more pests, and we're losing much of the needed biodiversity that is keeping our forests resilient. From this, I knew I had to do something, and I wanted to know, how can I understand this change? So I embarked on my journey, and 7 years later, through my PhD, this is some of the work that I will present to you. My thesis brought me to Tommy Thompson Park in Toronto, Ontario. In this park, I met this very interesting and special bird, the double-crested cormorant. Double-crested cormorants are an important part and critical part of our ecosystems. They bring external nutrients in to an area, and they open up canopy to allow revitalization into our forests. Now, going back to this crisis, humans have caused this process to move out of flux. These birds are causing a lot of issues with regards to deforestation. I embarked on this journey to collect soil samples, to take tree surveys, to collect height, canopy sizes, and I used various tools such as drones, satellites, and airplanes to collect information about this forest. One data set in particular is a LiDAR point cloud. LiDAR is a laser that is emitted, and it bounces off an object and it is collected. Usually that object, being something like a tree, can be captured in a 3D environment. If we fly this LiDAR over a plane, we can collect our entire forest. With this, I can understand what is the morphology of the forest and how it's changing. Now, in order to do this better, my PhD wasn't complete until I created the forest monitoring tool. The forest monitoring tool is an open access, open source tool that allows practitioners to understand the change in their forest. I hope this tool will allow users to understand how their forests are changing. And so with this, I hope you take this seed and plant it. Thank you.